What we've seen from members opposite is indignation. Indignation about the fact that they lost the election and they have not learned the lessons.
The member for Chifley will desist or leave. The choice is his. I said desist. If you don't know the meaning of it, look it up.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Per question.
The Treasurer will resume his seat. On a point of order,
Madam
the member
Speaker, yes, reflections on members.
That's right.
Reflections on members.
If the member thought that meant that he was not literate, I withdraw it. I call the Treasurer.
Madam Speaker.
The Treasurer will resume his seat. The member for Grayndler, and he doesn't need to shout.
Well, sometimes I do to get attention, Madam Speaker.
Not really.
And Madam Speaker,
I'm listening to your point of order.
I would ask that you withdraw the slur on the member for Chifley.
There is no point of order. I call the Treasurer. The member for McMahon.
Speaker, point of order. Insults are sometimes traded in this House. They should never come from your chair, Madam Speaker. You should withdraw without reservation.
And the member will not shout at the chair. That is a reflection on the chair.
Madam Speaker, point of order. I'm
standing. The Leader of Government Business has the call.
Madam Speaker, I would remind the opposition to perhaps refer to Hansard and all the epithets that I used to put up with from Speaker Jenkins, less so from Speaker Burke, and I never complained, and they should stop being a pack of sooks.
The member for McMahon on a point of order.
Madam Speaker, successive speakers have ruled that withdrawals should occur without reservation, without qualification, and that should apply to the whole of the chair as well, Madam. It should apply to you.
There is no point of order. The member for McMahon will resume his seat.
Order, Madam Speaker.
There is no point of order.
How do you know?
Because I can anticipate that you're trying to disrupt the business of the House. The Treasurer has the call.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Australian people want us to talk about jobs, about prosperity, about the economy, about the fate of their children. And these shenanigans from these fools on the other side are simply undermining the opportunity for Australians to deal with the issues that really do matter.
Both members will resume their seat. The Treasurer would to assist the House by withdrawing the term for all.
I withdraw.
Madam Speaker.
The member for Wakefield will remove himself under 94A.
I tell you, if only he had the class of his mother-in-law, that's all I can say. On that note, Madam Speaker, I ask that further questions be left on the notice paper.
Madam Speaker.
I call.
Madam Speaker, what? I'm not here.
The member for Grayndler has been on his feet raising points of order that were not legitimate points of order. Does he have one now that is?
How do you know, Madam Speaker?
Because I've heard them already. And I would refer you to page 189 of the practice.
I can take it from you.
I'm aware of practice, Madam Speaker. And one of the things that happens in not just in practice...
You will not argue with the chair. Take your seat. Resume your seat.
I'm moving a point of order.
Then give the point of order.
The point of order is one of the things we do in this place is not attack families. Is not attack families of members. That is one of the fundamental things, lines that we never cross.
The member for Grayndler will not resume his seat. Resume your seat. The Prime Minister has the call.
Madam Speaker, obviously offence has been taken. I unconditionally withdraw.